Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This week we have come with a new series called Memory Hacks. Through this series, every week we present you tips and tricks to boost your memory so that you don't have this complaint anymore. Let's move on to the memory hack of the week. Recall rather than reread. Now this has two parts: why rereading is ineffective and why recall is effective. We have all followed this method where we read a topic, read it again and again to understand it well and to memorize it. According to Mark McDaniel, the co-author of Make It Stick: The Science of Successful Learning, rereading is a popular but ineffective study strategy that does not improve your understanding of a topic. He says that on your first reading of something, you extract a lot of understanding. But when you do the second reading, you read with a sense of, I know this. So basically, you're not processing it deeply or picking more out of it. What he means is that rereading might give you the illusion that you know the material very well, but in fact, you don't. This fact is further backed up by science. According to Functional MRI Study 2013, recall and familiarity occurs in two different parts of the brain. And what does the study imply? The subjects who were part of the study found items familiar, knew they had seen something before, but they couldn't tell you where or when. The information due to familiarity was not enough to answer a question correctly in an exam, further saying that rereading is ineffective. In short, just because you're familiar with something doesn't mean you can accurately recall it in an exam or in practice. Familiarity is not enough. Rereading is not enough. So what is the effective method to remember something? Active recall. Now what is active recall? You read the topic carefully. You close your book and recall what you just read instead of going on rereading it. Now open the book and make sure what you recalled is correct. If not, or if you missed something, read again and then close the book and try to recall. How to practice active recall? If you're someone who writes notes, write notes but with your book closed. Teach someone, which is very effective. But if you don't have a study partner, just teach the wall. Ask yourself questions and answer them. Solve the previous year question papers. How does active recall actually work? When you're learning something new, it is a new information that is entering our brain. And this stays in the working memory for a few seconds. And from the working memory to short-term memory. From the short-term memory, if it is recalled enough times, it moves to the long-term memory. That's it, folks. So the key points from Memory Hack of the week are: rereading multiple times is ineffective. Rereading fools you into thinking you have learned something due to a sense of familiarity. Recall what you learned instead of rereading. Recalling helps store the information from short-term memory to long-term memory. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Tell us what you think in the comment section below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you.